is Ami. Bienvenue à You, Me and Friends. Hello friends, welcome to my channel You, Me and Friends. And today we will start finally with grammar. And this is introduction part. I will take part by part complete explanation in next video so that you will have all your confusion clear. Okay, so I will start with article. Type of articles, article. You may find in vocabulary you have found garçon, la table. So you might think what are they? So let me explain you. These are articles in French. In English, how many articles we have? A, an, and the. That's it. But in French we have 4 kind of articles. These are type of articles, and we have then this explanation this available. Okay, so I am not threatening you, I'm just telling we have to learn that. And what happens, we get confused, so much confused that we don't even know name. So right now what I am doing, we will learn first names, which article called by which name, so that we will have complete idea about articles. So are you ready? Let's start. So first article is article indéfini, means indefinite articles. So it means in English how we represent a or an, or some. In French it is un. Is masculine singular and it is a or an. Okay. Un, feminine singular, a or an. For example, a garçon means a boy, right? La table, sorry, la is definite article. Une fille, so means a girl. And they, no matter you are taking feminine or masculine, if it is plural, it is some. You have to take they. No need to bifurcate in masculine or singular. It is plural, it is they. Nothing. That's it. Understand? Then next, article défini means definite article, means the. How we represent the in French? For masculine it's le, for feminine it's la, and L apostrophe is for word which start with vowel or H. For example, om will be represented as, we will say as l'homme. It's l'homme. We do not pronounce H. L apostrophe HOMME. Don't worry. Just remember this name. I will explain it. Then le. Le is for plural. No matter it represents masculine or feminine or this form. If it is in plural form, it is le. That's it. Third one, article contracté means contracted articles. It will we have to contract with this le, la, L apostrophe and le with a or the. A means to or at. Okay, and the means of or from. I am going to, this is of, I am from. We make sentence. So for that we need contracted articles, and we contract with definite articles. Means if we have to say to the, so a or a la. If we have to say of the or from the, so the la or the la, irrespective of many things. But what I have taken only this in this part because I don't want you to be confused, right? So just remember this, what comes in contracted articles. Okay. Then the last one is article partitive, means partitive articles. What it includes? Some, means some. How we will represent some in partitive article? So we have du for masculine singular, the la for feminine singular, the L apostrophe, it is for words start with vowel or H and they masculine or feminine plural. I understand you will not understand so much thing. I just wanted you to learn these names and what it represent in their article form. In next video, I will explain each article with example and with their exceptions. So you don't need to worry. So let's remember 4 kind of articles we have. 4 types of article we have in French. What are they? Indefinite article, definite article, contracted article and partitive article. Article indéfini, article défini, article contracté, article partitif. That's it. You just need to remember name in this video so that we know which kind of article we will use in our sentence. That's it. So I hope you learn. I hope you understand and we will learn so many things in articles. So don't worry for that. Till next video, just make sure you will remember all name and what it represent. I just wanted you to do that. So till next video, just practice it. I will meet you so soon with many videos. Till then, happy learning, au revoir and take care. Bye bye.